I'm Flagler County Sheriff Rick Staley. As you know, the COVID-19 virus continues to rapidly evolve. There is a lot of misinformation concerning this virus, so I want to be clear on what is currently going on in Flagler County regarding COVID-19. I want to assure you that since this pandemic began, I have been in constant communication with Flagler County Emergency Services. We are all working together and we are prepared to respond to any new developments. Additionally, I've been in contact with Senator Rick Scott. He and his office have gone above and beyond to coordinate resources that we need in Flagler County and to keep our deputies and first responders safe. We have been in contact with Advent Health Palm Coast. They are working around the clock to prepare for any potential patient surge stemming from COVID-19. Advent Health has constructed a medical tent that will assist them with the screening and treatment of potential COVID-19 cases. As of this morning, there are 155 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in Florida. Here in Flagler County, there are no confirmed cases. The largest concentration of confirmed cases are mostly in South Florida, specifically in Broward County, Fort Lauderdale area, and Miami-Dade County. I would volude traveling to these areas or having close contact with anyone that has recently traveled to those areas. There have been confirmed cases in Volusia County to our south and St. Johns County to our north. In my opinion, we will eventually have cases in Flagler County and probably in every county in Florida and likely the United States. But you can help prevent the spread of COVID-19 by practicing good hygiene. Stay home if you are sick. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. Even if someone does not appear to be sick, you should maintain 6 feet of distance between you and others. Cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze. Cough and sneeze into your elbow area. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and hard surfaces. According to the CDC, the symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, cough, and shortness of breath. These symptoms could appear anywhere from 2 to 14 days after initial exposure to the virus. It is very important that if you develop these symptoms, have traveled out of the country, or have been in contact with someone who has, you should contact your healthcare provider immediately. Your healthcare provider will work with the health department to determine if you need to be tested for COVID-19. The CDC is also recommending that for the next 8 weeks, organizers, whether groups or individuals, cancel or postpone in-person events that consist of 50 people or more throughout the United States. Even before this development, the Sheriff's Office had announced a cancellation of multiple events out of an abundance of caution to combat the spread of this virus and keep our residents and first responders healthy. In response to this event, a 24-hour coronavirus call center has been activated, and you can reach them at 1-866-779-6121 or email them at this address. As we shop in our local stores, we see empty shelves and people purchasing unusually large quantities of paper items, food, and disinfectants. I ask everyone to be prepared, but also be considerate of all members of our community. We are in this together. Please buy what you need and try to think of the needs of others. There may be people who will try to profit off your fears and steal from you. We continue to ask that if you see something, say something. Those who prey on our citizens will be my personal guest at the Green Roof Inn. Tonight, the Flagler County Board of County Commissioners will be declaring a local state of emergency. What does this mean to you? A local state of emergency declaration gives the county additional operational flexibilities during this public health crisis. This is a critical and necessary step because even though there have been no confirmed cases of coronavirus in Flagler County, This declaration now gives the county the ability to spend additional funds in response to coronavirus. Our primary concern is the health and safety of Flagler County residents and visitors. I also must ensure our deputies and other first responders are safe so they may serve our community. As such, we have enacted additional questions our 911 operators or a deputy may ask you. While they might not sound relevant to your call, please answer these questions honestly and as thoroughly as you can, and please understand why we are asking them. Law enforcement and first responders have a dangerous job in general, and now we, just like you, are dealing with a silent enemy. We do not have the luxury to always maintain a 6-foot distance when responding to assist you. Do not be alarmed when a deputy stands away from you while talking or asks you to come outside to talk with them when they respond to your home or business call for service. We need our first responders to stay healthy so they can serve and assist you. Our deputies are out on patrol as usual, and our communications center is available to answer your call should you need us. We are dedicated to serving and protecting this community, just like we did for the last 2 hurricanes. We will get through this public health crisis together like we always do, as a community helping each other. Watch for future updates.